In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import PowerGrade in Davinci Resolve. PowerGrades are reusable color looks you can store and share as .drx files. Importing them correctly means you can apply a polished grade in seconds across shots and projects. Let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish, so you know exactly where everything lives in the interface and what to expect as you go. Start by launching Davinci Resolve from your desktop. Once it opens, make sure you're inside a project. PowerGrades are managed within a project environment, so open an existing timeline you're comfortable working in. Now switch to the color page. At the bottom of the screen, click the icon that looks like a color wheel. This takes you to the area where grading tools, nodes, and galleries are available. At the top left of the color page, click the Gallery button. The gallery is where Resolve stores stills, reference frames, and, importantly, your PowerGrades. If you don't see much on screen yet, don't worry, everything you need is in this panel. Look to the left side of the gallery for the sidebar. In there, find the section labeled PowerGrade. These are albums that hold your saved and imported looks. If the sidebar isn't visible, click the small Albums icon, a little square in the top left of the gallery, to expand it. Once expanded, you should clearly see your PowerGrade albums. Inside the PowerGrade album, right-click in the empty gray space and choose Import. Be sure you're clicking in a blank area, not on an existing thumbnail, so you get the correct menu option. A file browser will open. Navigate to the folder on your computer where your PowerGrade files are stored. If you downloaded them recently, they might be in your Downloads folder. If they arrived as a compressed archive, make sure they're extracted first so you can select the actual files. Select the .drx file you want to bring in and click Import. The .drx format contains the grading data, including node structures and key settings. You can usually select more than one .drx at a time if you're building a library of looks. After import, you'll see new thumbnails appear in the PowerGrade album. That's your confirmation everything worked. From here, they're ready to use in this project, and they'll stay organized inside the PowerGrade section for easy access. If you don't see them immediately, double-check you're in the correct PowerGrade album and not the stills area. And that's it. You've successfully imported a PowerGrade into Davinci Resolve, keeping your favorite looks just a click away.